Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am reviewing the true standout in the world of Greek olive oil. This is a it's hard to pronounce, but Laconiko extra virgin olive oil. It's a very ultra high polyphenic ZOI addition. If you're curious about award-winning olive oils, or if you really want to know what sets this apart from the rest, keep watching. So as you can see right here, based upon the box, it comes with a very nice box. Let's go ahead and take out the bottle here and show you guys what's inside. Alright, so let me tell you a little background on this olive oil and the family tradition. Laconiko is a fourth generation family business based in Lakonia, Greece. Their olive oils are made from organically cultivated Koroneiki olive trees. These are grown on the family estate along the southern coastlines, and the family is committed to quality and tradition, which has earned them more than 400 traditional international awards, including multiple gold medals at the New York International Olive Oil Competition. Let's talk about their showstopper, the ZOI high polyphenic EVOO. ZOI means life in Greek, and oil is all about health and vibrance. This is made from early harvest green Calamon olives. ZOI packs an incredible, and when I mean incredible, over 1,200 milligram of polyphenols, and one of the highest levels you'll find anywhere. Why does this matter? Well, these oxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds are linked to heart health, joint support, and even mimicking the effects of painkillers. ZOI has a robust spicy flavor with notes of black pepper, walnut, olive leaf, and finishing with the signature peppery kick in the throat. And I'll go into detail of the taste and usage here in a minute, but I wanted to touch base on the health and sustainability. Laconiko's oils are cold pressed, okay? So they're not only cold pressed, they're non-GMO. They're packed with vitamin E, vitamin K, and a healthy omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. So these are great in terms of supporting gut health, reducing inflammation, and are produced sustainably on the family's estate. So let's go ahead and jump in. If you guys want to pause the video to look into some of these details of the olive oil, you're more than welcome. But let me go ahead and pour some here on the spoon so you guys can see how it looks like. Alright guys, so we go ahead and poured some here on the spoon here. It's very clear to see, if you guys can't see that well. It's very vibrant green color. Let's go ahead and try some of this and see how it tastes. Alright, let's go ahead and try some, guys. Ooh. Has that kick to it. Wow, this is great. You know, when you taste a lot of great olive oil, you really can tell which ones have the very high polyphenol count, and this one, I can tell you, it has a very complex profile. This ZOI edition is especially bold, so expect a very unique blend of I would say olive fruit I could taste, subtle squash, and a very peppery finish that will, you know, it was hard for me not to cough, but cough in a good way. Let's just say that. And I would say their classic oil is very bright, is very grassy, very versatile. I mean, it was perfect for salads, roasted vegetables, even, you know, straight from the spoon. Like I did, you know, if you're adventurous, you can drink straight from the spoon. But these are such high, rich antioxidants. I mean, in even that spoon. So they're kind of described as sipping oils. So they're meant to be enjoyed even on their own, even if you're not even cooking with it. But guys, if you're looking for an olive oil that is, let me go ahead and turn it back here real quick. If you're looking for an olive oil that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds, the Laconiko is a top tier choice. The ZOI edition is perfect for anyone seeking maximum health benefits, while the classic ones are versatile for kitchen staples. But have you tried the Laconiko or any other high polyphenol olive oil? Drop your tasting notes down in the comments section. Would love to hear it. And like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and healthy food finds. I'm reviewing a variety of different premium olive oils of high polyphenol count and giving you my honest opinion. So with that said, thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, comment down below, and I'll leave a link for this olive oil down in the description if you're interested to purchase it. With that said, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.